Chapter 4: Customization and Shortcuts. In this module, we will give you useful advice on how to customize MT4 and what keyboard shortcuts you can use. First, let's take a look at the toolbar menu. If you click View and then Toolbar, you will have the option to either show or hide certain sections of the toolbar. By clicking Customize, you can decide which buttons should be displayed or hidden. Here you can also customize the position of each button or add any other buttons that are not displayed by default. All the changes you make will be automatically saved. By pressing F11 on your keyboard, all platform sections will remain hidden, except for the chart window section. The MT4 client terminal works in the same way as the Windows operating system, which means that you can close, stretch, and move around the window panels. Should you be interested in more details about each separate section of MT4 and how these can be customized to your preferences, we kindly advise you to watch our tutorial modules about the MT4 sections. So, for example, if you would like to know how you can customize the chart window, watch our module related to this topic. Now let's see some useful keyboard shortcuts that help you invoke commands easily. If you press the F1 key, you will be redirected to the MT4 user guide, which gives you assistance with a wide range of topics related to the use of MT4. Within the user guide, you can use the keyword search option to find the explanation related to the topic you're interested in. For example, if you type hotkeys, all those chapters will be listed up that contain this keyword. Next, if you click the Fast Navigation tab, you can see a list of all the keyboard shortcuts which can make the use of MT4 faster and more convenient. Thank you for watching.